Hello and welcome to Mangley Town. Today we have an unboxing of a Hornby Eddie Stobart Limited set. It's set R1026 and it's got a Class 37 Norman Bell logo in it and 3 container wagons as well. So we'll have a look and see what's in the box. As you can see, it's a gorgeous condition set. I was really happy to find this. I know obviously there's a newer blue style livery, but to my mind the classic green is the Eddie Stobart livery. So we have Class 37 37001 Norman Bell and 3 container wagons and some spare containers as well as obviously track and controller. So we'll pop this out onto the diorama and we'll give it a little run. So here we have it with the wagons attached. This one is a nice little runner as well. You do get a nice long rake with all of those wagons on as well. So let's have a closer little look. Considering the age, I'm quite happy with the level of detail on it as well. Obviously all those containers are the same, but you can swap out a pair to put the triple set on as well. So I say all in, I'm pretty happy with that set. That's a cool looking set and will look nice going around the main layout when that's possible as well. I hope you've enjoyed a quick look at that. Again, as always, if it's something you're thinking of getting, you get to see what you get in the box. Hope to see you all again soon. Thank you.